A cigarette that bears a lipstick's traces, an airline ticket to romantic places, and still my heart is wings. These foolish things remind me of you. A tinkling piano in the next apartment. Those standing words that told you what my heart meant. A fairground spaded swings. These foolish things remind me of you. You came, you saw, you conquered me. I fell in love with you. I knew somehow this had to be. The winds of March that make my heart a dancer. A telephone that rings, but who's to answer? Oh, how the ghost of you clings. These foolish things remind me of you. First daffodils brought by the charms of April, and candle lights on little corner tables, and still my heart is wings. These foolish things remind me of you. A park at evening when the bell has sounded, the Ile-de-France with all the gals around it, the beauty that is spring's. These foolish things remind me of you. How strange, how sweet to find you still. These things are dear to me. They seem to bring you near me. The sight of midnight trains in empty stations, silk stockings thrown aside, dance invitations. Oh, how the ghost of you clings. These foolish things